Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So I bought these temperature changing gels from Aliexpress a couple months ago for only about $2, and I'll leave the link in the description below if anyone's interested. I only bought 5 because I wanted to test it out myself. The reviews were really good, but I just wanted to make sure. So let's get started, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any other suggestions of anything you want to see on my channel, let me know in the comments below. So as you can see, these colors are super glittery, super shimmery. I really like it. There are the plain colors, but honestly, if you're gonna do temperature changing, you're probably already extra, such as myself, so why not do the whole 9, right? So what I find with gel is that it goes on pretty thin, so you're going to want to do at least 2 or 3 coats for the color to actually show up. I've also noticed that gel looks a lot easier to work with than acrylic, but to be quite honest, I find that gel is a little bit harder because you can't do too thick of a layer because it will literally mess up the whole thing. So be careful with it. So with the one layer, I was really liking how it came out, but as I mentioned earlier, I always find with gel, you're gonna wanna do a couple layers, so I did. And to top it all off, I'm going to be using this Soak Off Gel Top Coat from iGel. I remember I bought this during when COVID was kind of at its highest peak. And to be honest, the package came pretty quickly. Actually, I was surprised. I really love their products. They have amazing acrylic. If you look back, I do have a couple videos of me showing their acrylic, and I put my review of that, so you can check that out as well. So I thought it would be a little bit easier to just visualize it like this. So I put cold water on the right and hot water on the left. As you can see, in the hot water, it goes a lot lighter, and in the cold, it goes dark. I think I might like the darker better, actually. So there we have it. I'm really happy about how these came out. They were really easy to use and pretty cheap. Aliexpress did not disappoint. So what do you guys think of these colors? Did you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Bye!